Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our car game, and in this video we're going to play around with our sprites, with our assets to deliver the driver asset. So let's add a just example house. So as you see, it's a little bit small. We want to make it a little bit bigger. So basically what we do, we just compress on this and pixel per unit. Let's write 25. Now if we add another house, you see it will be big. Okay, now so if we come over here, let's write that like 1. It's pixels per unit. As you see here, we have pixels, and if we how less we write, the more bigger it becomes. Now we come here, apply. Woo! This really is big. So I think 25 should do. Let's delete it. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? Some trees. Pixels per unit. This one I think should be like 50. Apply. This tree, let me add it. Yeah, I think it should be 52. Apply. Yeah, looks cool. This one also 50. Let's write 50. This one, let's make it 75. Because not all of them should be the same. Wait a minute, why is it so small? No, I think this should be 25. Yeah, man. This also should be. No, I think this one should be 10 or something, yeah. Bigger house. No. Sounds a little bit like, let's put 17 or something, yeah. Okay, allow. Let's move them up. Like this. We're gonna add roads on all of them here. Continue all of it in the next lecture. So this is a car, but we will not need cars. This is only for the user. Let's delete it. Bridge, yeah. Yeah, okay, so this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.